Hey, it's Mike here, and in this really short video, I want to show you how you can use Google Drive to have students upload video introductions. Now that Flip has gone away, it's kind of an easy way if you don't want to get involved with some of the other software that allows you to do this. You can do the same thing, a similar thing in Google Drive. So first thing you want to do is go to my.wm.edu and you'll go to the Google Workspace link here at the bottom right. If you're not logged into your William & Mary account, it will allow you to log in. But now all you will do is you'll go to your Drive. So if I click on Google Apps, if I'm not in my Drive yet, I'll click on Drive. And once I'm in my Google Drive, I'll create a folder specifically for those students for that course. So I'll go New, and I'll say New Folder. And I can call this whatever the class is. So English 201 Fall 2024. Okay, great, and I'll hit create. And now once I've created that folder, I can create subfolders, but I can just put those welcome videos right in this main folder if I want to, or I can create a subfolder for the welcome videos. So if I wanted to share this out with my students and I didn't want it to be overly stressful, all I would need to do is to choose this folder here, English 201 Fall 2024, and click on the little arrow, and I can say share, and I can go ahead and click on the share button. It'll open up the share page, and you'll notice I have general access is restricted, and I'll say anyone with the link, or I can choose William & Mary, however I want to do it. William & Mary is probably safest, but students may have trouble accessing it. But if I go to anyone with the link, now I have a choice to make them a viewer or an editor, and they can actually upload those files. So now I have it available for anyone to share. I just need to copy that link, and I'll hit copy link. And now what do I do with that link? I'm going to go ahead and put it in my Blackboard course site. Okay, so I'm here in a Blackboard course site, and let's say I wanted to add that link somewhere in my course. I could add it to a regular content folder, into let's say I wanted to put it in the announcements area. I can do that by clicking on announcements, going to the little plus sign here, and I can go ahead and hit create. If I hit link, I can make that a web link. I can make it visible to my students. I can say upload your intro video here, and I can link to that URL. And it can open up in a new window. I can give it a description if I want. Maybe some explanation of what you want students to do. And you can hit save. And that's it. They can hit the upload to your intro video here. They'll see this, and all they need to do is drop a video file into this area, and the students will be able to see each other's videos. What I would suggest is that you choose a naming convention for the files, like the student's name. So if I'm going to go ahead and upload a video, I can go ahead and choose File Upload. So I go to New, File Upload, and I'm going to search for a MP4 file I might have here. So here's an MP4 file that I've got, 171 megs, but you notice that it's named this weird thing. So I can go ahead and open that, and it'll upload it. And depending on the file size, it might take a minute. And then once it's uploaded, I can click on it. I can go ahead and click on the rename tab right here. And I can call that Mike Bloom Intro. Okay. And now it's called Mike Bloom Intro. And you also have multiple views. So this is just the line view, the list layout, but up at the top you'll see I can change it from list layout to grid layout. And if I click grid layout, then once this video resolves, you'll notice that it will show me a preview here. So Mike Bloom intro, and then each of the students who post their video, and then you can watch it right in the player. And there it is. So that's a quick and easy way for you to have students introduce themselves into the class without getting involved with something like Padlet or some of the other apps that you might have to pay for. And by the way, as an added bonus, there's also an ability to comment on a video that you've seen. So if I've watched this video and I want to leave some comment on it, either I or my students can just click on the Add Comment button, and they can make a comment. And then that comment will appear, and they'll see those all on the side. There are also some opportunities to choose more actions. You can manage comment notifications, or you can hide the comments column. But one way that you can manage the comment notifications, if I click on that button, it will actually send me a notification for any comments that are for me, or I don't get any notifications, but it's set to begin with to receive all comments. So that's how you go about creating comments on those videos.